What is up, guys? And thanks for tuning in to another episode of Down South Adventures. Now, I'm going to be honest. I'm so excited about this one that I actually got cold chills when I pulled in the parking lot because this is a very special opportunity that we got from the city of Lenoir, North Carolina. Babe, do you want to say a little bit about what we're standing in front of?
So y'all, this is the Freedom Truck, and there's only about 6 of these across the entire United States. And we have been very, very fortunate for the city of Lenoir to be able to get this Freedom Truck. And this thing is touring around the country in celebration of our 250th birthday in our country. And we cannot wait to give you a behind the scenes tour of what this is all about.
Stay tuned.
So y'all, I am here with the mayor of the city of Lenoir. This is Joe Gibbons. And Joe, tell us about how we, little old town of Lenoir, ended up with such an amazing gift.
Well, thank you. We are so excited. You know, it was funny. I was Pam reached out to me and sent a message and said, would y'all be interested in having the Freedom Truck come to Lenoir? 250. And I said, you better believe we would, because we were in the middle right then of planning 250 America, and had a committee put together of all the county and all the townships in Caldwell County, and we were working on what are we going to do for all these great events, and that would be perfect. So that was a couple months, and we kept thinking, well, we hadn't heard back, so we don't know if we're going to get it or not. But anyway, as of Thursday, we got the message back that it was coming to Lenoir, and we were so excited about it. And we've been putting out all kind of information on it. Only 6 of them in the United States, so we are very blessed.
And how do you feel like this is going to impact our community? How do you feel like this is going to give back to our community?
I think it's going to give back because as we celebrate 250 years of our America and our freedom, I think that it's let people know and puts that pride into them of what we are, what we're all about. You know, sometimes we lose all of that, but 250 has kind of brought us back and let us remember the Declaration of Independence, and we have our Charge of Freedom downtown, which we celebrate every year. But it just it tells people this is what our country's about, and we're proud of it, and we want people to know the history of it. So I'm hoping our kids, our children, will come out and with their families and see this for the next 3 days and just learn about things that they're going to be studying in school, and that they can see it. Wow, this is real, you know, and all that. So it's exciting time for us.
It is very exciting. Yeah. Now, how long is the truck supposed to be downtown Lenoir?
The truck will be here Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, opening at 10 o'clock and closing at 5 o'clock every day. And there is no charge.
No charge.
It's free.
Completely free.
Completely free.
Wonderful.
So that's a wonderful thing. So there's no you can bring everybody you want to, and you don't have to pay anything for it. So,
wonderful.
Which is the way it should be.
Yeah, Mayor Gibbons, thank you so much for letting us be part of this experience.
Thank you. We appreciate it.
Guys, while you may just be looking at a truck trailer, this is so much more than that. Like Kim mentioned in the intro, there are only 6 of these trucks covering the entire nation for our 250th birthday. And so the fact that our little town was able to pull this off, I just want to send a big thank you to everyone who worked hard to make it happen. This is a part of our history that we cannot forget. We can't forget where we came from. I just feel like we needed this traveling museum more than ever. So let's check it out. All right, guys. This truck is like a transformer. Like, all the artwork on this thing is just so beautiful. And we heard a really interesting fact. These trailers were actually built in Winston-Salem, so anytime these trucks need some kind of repairs or maintenance, they have to come back to North Carolina. All right, guys, we've done a lot of cool things with YouTube, but getting a sneak peek at this is pretty awesome.
That's a good hat.
We also encountered those who stood against us.
is so much bigger once you get inside here and they put those sides out. I don't want to show you everything in here. She doesn't either. We want you to show up and come and support these guys that are traveling our country to do this. But there is so much cool stuff in here. Every nook and cranny is filled with some kind of history. And there's a lot of things in here. I thought I knew a lot of history, but there's some things in here that I didn't know. What do you think?
I think it's a cool experience. We're inside here, and guys, this is a truck. It doesn't look like a truck. You truly feel like you're inside a museum, and they have thought of everything. It's air conditioned, it's well lit. Like Jeremy said, it's very interactive. Even as an adult, you're going to want to touch and
read
see what you know and what you don't know. And it's a great learning experience because you don't have to know everything, but what it will do is show you, hey, you didn't know what you thought you did, and maybe you need to study up a little bit more. But it's just, we've been having cold chills the whole time that we've been here because of, just learning. I mean, we learned this history years ago, right? But it just all comes flooding back, and the sheer impact of how we became a country is just so impressive to learn through this truck.
And when you learn about it at a young age, you don't appreciate it. But now, being late 40s, now I'm looking at these guys like they're my fathers or grandfathers, but they were teenagers. So it's just crazy. You've got to check this out. Is over here learning about the Bill of Rights. But honestly, if not for this, when do you ever look up the Bill of Rights?
Did you know what the fifth was? I mean, read the fifth.
Which one? You know what plead the fifth is.
Well, yeah, I get that. So, okay, let's back up. Like,
I was like, you know what plead the fifth
go to
is.
the fourth one.
What do they need to do, Kim?
They need to learn their rights.
Well, they need to get out here to the Freedom
Yes,
Truck.
they
That's
do.
what I'm trying to get out of here.
They need to get out here to the Freedom Truck and learn what you don't know. You don't know what you don't know. So you get out here, and what's great about these interactive screens is you can identify what you don't know, what you thought you knew, but you don't know. So it's, I feel like I'm pretty smart, but clearly there's always more to learn.
Well, you'll be happy to know that our mayor took a 10-question quiz over here, and he only missed one.
Nice.
But it doesn't tell you which one you missed, so now he's wondering. He's like,
It's like, I need to
when
know.
I get off.
Yeah, I'm proud of him. I'm proud of him.
All right, guys. We didn't want to show you everything, like I said, but super, super cool. I'm so thankful that they gave us this opportunity to do this. So what about you? What did you think in there?
It was just really cool. It was just a beautiful experience. You've got to get out if you are in Caldwell or in Lenoir. You've got to get out here and be in this truck over the next couple of days. If you're not in Lenoir, be sure to check their schedule to see where they're going to be. It's definitely something you want to check out. You don't want to miss this experience, guys.
And what were the hours again, babe?
The hours for us, it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday from 10 to 5.
10 to 5. And they are handicap ADA accessible. So
And it's free. It's in the middle of summer. Get your kids out here. You guys come
for sure. If you've got kids, you have to get them out here. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.